Channel la rona TYCOONseries. Lebitso la ka ke Carlos tsatsing lena ke rena le baeti. Nene re tlo tla go bua ka sekgowa bana rena le baeti. So please welcome Mr. Robinson from
Uganda.
And Mr. Solomon from Ghana. So Robinson, which language do you speak in Uganda? Your language?
I speak Alur.
Alur.
Yes.
Alur.
A-L-U-R. Alur.
Ah, Alur.
Yes.
Okay. And which language do you speak in Ghana?
We speak Chi.
Chi.
Of Akan.
Chi.
Akan or Akan.
Akan.
Wait.
Yeah.
Chi. Okay. And we speak SESOTHO.
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 Yeah.
SESOTHO.
How do you say the world in your language?
The world.
The world, yeah.
Ewiase.
Eluase.
Ewiase.
Eluase.
Ewiase.
Eluase.
Ewiase.
Eluase. And how do you say it in your language?
The world.
The world.
Nom.
Nom.
Our language is very short.
Yeah.
Nom.
Yeah, I think I like it. I like short language. Mom.
Yeah.
Eluase.
And yours?
And we say Lefati.
Lefat.
Lefati.
Lefat.
Not Lefati. Oh, not Lefati. Lefati is something else. And how do you say country?
Country. Hey.
Hey, like that?
The computer.
I thought it's hey.
Maybe I must jump here. My computer is
yeah, of course.
Ekro.
Ekro
Means country.
Ah. Ekro. Mean ekro. Moi ekro.
Mikro means
my country.
my country.
Ah, ekro.
Country.
Okay.
Country.
Good your language.
Country.
Yes.
No, I want to give the right word because we have a lot of it.
You have a lot of countries.
Yes,
You have a lot of words for a country.
Yes.
But country, like Uganda.
Yeah, of course. Country like Uganda, like Belgium. Land.
That one also, we say that almost Mom for the world,
Mom for the country.
Yes.
Mom for the count, I think. Is that so? Is that so?
Yes.
The planet also is mom, I guess. Okay. Country, we say Naha.
Nah.
That's easy. And how do you say house?
Effier.
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 It sounds like French. Effier.
La maison.
Effier.
Okay, and how do you say house?
A house.
Stop it.
A house is ot.
Ot.
Yes. We always have short words. Yes. O-T.
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 Like ot.
Yes.
That's
a house. But also, like I said, we have we can say many words which mean
including mom.
Yeah. So ot is a house.
Oh, yeah.
I can also say the pasho. Pasho is home.
Ah, okay, yeah.
You get it? The pasho is home.
Yeah.
But ot is a house.
Okay, I think I want it. Odd.
Yeah, not mom.
Not yeah, of course. And we say, What? So difficult.
How do you do it? No, today is going to be difficult.
Yeah.
Because my throat is paining and I want you to do that.
Yeah, of course, my language is the click sounds.
It's difficult for me to do that.
Yeah.
I can only do like this. I cannot do that, to be honest.
And then how do you say village? A village?
Ekurase.
Ekurase. What is the house again?
Efie.
Efie. Ekurase.
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 Ekurase. Yes. You know the problem in Africa is we mix our local languages with English.
Yes, that's it.
So
Yeah, but
there are certain people, there are certain generations that have grown up knowing, for example, spoon. They know that spoon is their own local language, but spoon is a lot in the English.
Yes.
But I think it's not only with African language. You know, English being the international language. Many other languages take like the words from English. English as well has some words which are not English, like bon appetit. It's French. It's French, yes, and but it's used in English. So I think every language has that theme of foreign words, I would say.
Yeah.
So it's not only in Africa. Yeah.
Like you see, the village you're asking. For me, I've grown up knowing that it's our village, the language is my local language, is the village.
Okay.
Even somebody who have never gone to school. No, when you talk about village, you're meaning that place.
Okay.
You get it, eh?
Then that's easy.
Yeah, so it is a mix.
At least no more this time.
No more, at least.
We say mood.
Yeah.
You people, you have the very unique
More traditional people.
Mood. Yes. And how do you say town? Est.
Ekrom.
Yeah, it's always with air. Why? What is it with air?
Ekrom.
Yes.
Ekurase. Efie.
Why air? What is the significance of air? Sounds like French. Air.
Ekrom.
There are a lot of like no. Yes.
Ekurase. Yeah.
And how do you say town? Town.
Yeah.
Town.
Yeah.
Town. We call it town. I'm going to town.
You guys are lazy.
You're lazy. But let me tell you, there are more traditional people who speak our typical languages. Typical. So things like town, they don't call it town. They know there's special one. But the spoiled generation like us, we know that anybody is talking about a town.
Then you know
Village is the other one. You get it? Eh? So there is a mixed kind of upbringing in Africa. It depends on the country and the place. You find that the generations are different in learning languages. So there are certain languages, like you said in French, somebody growing up will know that village is a village. So there is no any other words for village. Town is a town. You get it? So that comparison is very difficult to find in people, in the new generation in Africa.